Colvin Run Mill is one of the few preserved industrial sites of our day. The first recorded survey is dated June 8, 1739. George Washington purchased the land in 1763, keeping this tract until his death. Letters written during the War for Independence speak of his intention to build a mill on Difficult Run. In 1811, Philip Carper purchased some 30 acres of land on Colville's branch of Difficult Run with the intention of building a mill. The mill design follows the principles established by Oliver Evans in his book, The Young Mill-wright and Miller's Guide, 1794. Evans was the first to demonstrate that grains could be transformed into meal by a single continuous automated process. The inventions and innovations of Evans went far toward giving American industry its own foundations, and he was referred to as the father of mechanized flour milling. His significant contributions to the steam engine are also recognized. Flour milling was one of the most important services performed in colonial and early 19th century Virginia. Merchant milling became increasingly important to Northern Virginia's economy during the last half of the 18th century, providing the area's major means of earning credits in the markets of other regions, until the centers of wheat production and flour milling shifted westward in the 1830s and 40s. The mill acreage was acquired by the Fairfax County Park Authority in 1965 and later restored with a miller's house, now utilized to display exhibits of artwork and photography. An old dairy shed has been adapted for use as an 18th, 19th century carpentry shop and active interpretive center. The circa 1890 Cockrell General Store, formerly located across from the mill on Colvin Run Road, was moved to the park property in 1973. It serves as a museum and is a functioning post office. In 2015, the mill's mechanism and mill dam system were completely restored to a fully operational and productive grist mill once again. To ensure historic mechanical accuracy, nearly every major subsystem was specially constructed. Most of the reconstructed mechanisms are made of the same kinds of woods stipulated by Oliver Evans at the time of the mill's construction. The overshot wheel was designed according to Evans' calculations as described in his book. Grains are now ground at the mills spring through fall and available for sale. In 1972, the Fairfax County government recognized the importance of the mill by establishing a historic district to protect the property and its environs.
We hope you'll take this opportunity to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the National Historic Preservation Act with Fairfax County.